Right now the main air supply is off and it's locked out. We're going to unlock it. We engage the air. Powering the system on. Power the system off. We're going to start with it on. First function, the main function, is the shot pin. Up. Shot pin down. Up. Down. When the shot pin's up, we can control the die stop pins on the die. Station 1 up. Station 1 down. Station 1 up. Station 2 up. Station 2 down. Station 2 up. Shot pin down. The shuttle is now activated. Once the shuttle's activated, then I can move the shuttle left. I can move the shuttle right. With the shot pin up, shuttle's disabled. Cannot function. At this point we'd be ready to transfer. As you see, the transfer's still disabled. The die stop pins have to be down. Once they're down, the bridges can go out. Once the bridges are out, transfer's enabled. Put my grab arms down. I'm ready to push. My grab arms up to let go of the die. If for some reason my bridges are in, the transfer's disabled. I can't do nothing with the push-pull, but I can still operate the grab arms. If I have my die stop pins up, transfer's still disabled. The only way to transfer is to have your die stop pins down and your bridges out. Then it's enabled.